Among Umuiguedo clan of 6 quarters, Ogbunike dwells at the epicenter of the socio-cultural existence of the people. This vintage position is divinely bestowed on Ogbunike and has been maintained over time through the effort and commitment of illustrious sons of Ogbunike, imbued with the spirit of resilience, to keep that candle of primordial cultural standards burning.
Ogbunike a na-ekwu mụtara ụmụaka isii, ofu bụ Okala, ofu bụrụ Osile, nke ọzọ bụrụ Umuori, nke ọzọ bụrụ Amawa, nke ọzọ bụrụ Ifite. Ụmụ isii a ọ mụrụ, anyị nwa na onwe anyị bụ Ụmụazụ Ogbunike.
Of all the historical entities that make up Ogbunike within the Umuiguedo, Azu symbolizes backbone and pillar among other formations.
Azu Ogbunike a na-akpọ Azu Ogbunike abụrụ Azu Ogbunike na azụ. N'onu Igbo ife bụ azụ bụ pillar. Onye bụ azụ. Mana dịtụ na ndị ọcha bịazi a na-edi ya ka oge ejiri na-adịlụva izi a na-akpọ ya Azu Ogbunike. Ọ dịka ga-asị na azụ ụkọta azụ, ọ bụrụ ụkọta azụ na azụ Ogbunike. That is the pillar of Ogbunike.
Available records place an ample recognition on Ogbunike as a class community. In spheres of national politics, religion, culture, and tradition, Ogbunike retains a resounding prominence among committee of communities.
Ụbọchị na-anọ, abịa na-anọ, anyị ga na-eje na-abata na-eje anabụ isi ije. Anyị jee, anyị abata. Ibe merụ mma ka anyị nọ na ya, Olise bi n'igwe chebe anyị.
Adesiano.
Onye anyị fọrọ na anya bụ nwa Chukwu kụbara. O kwesịrị ịbụ a reverend father. Ife o kwesịrị ịbụ nọ. Ife o jere bụ seminary school. O mesịa ọ dị otu o si wee dị. Ọ gaba Ochibeze father. And ya ma achọrọ ka ya nọrọ n'Ogbunike bụrụ mmadụ ga-anọ n'esa aka n'ọkpa. N'ile anyị nụrụ afịa. And ife ọbụla ọ na-anọ bụ ebe udo dị.
Harris Udokamma Chuma Odili hails from Azu, one of the quarters in Ogbunike, Oyi local government area, Anambra State. Harris has been a full homegrown native with every necessary attachment to his late father, Ogbuefi Chuma Odili, a golden opportunity for young Harris to acquire such great knowledge that could not be taught in any classroom.
Even suppose he did not call him Harris, but Omeka Nnia. Makana Nnia, etu a Harris si wee nọdụ. O je edu na ọkala Nnia, na na nkwuri ya na ọ ya emekala Nnia. Nnia bụ ofu onye Ogbunike ji wee bilu. Eziokwu na ọ bụ nwatakịrị bụ Nnia. Mana ya na ndị ụmụaka dị ọkwa anyị. Na ya na ndị okenye na anyị o ji wee mara ife. Wa anya. Bata na onwe ụfọdụ ife ya afịaba arụ na eweruka na ọ bụ nwata. Na ndị okenye na-abịa ajụ asị ya ka esi eme ife dị etu a, ka anyị esi mi ya.
Harris Udoka Chuma Odili is Ogbunike all round. His root and lineage deeply founded the community of his own, Ogbunike.
Nne bụ onye nkuzi, nne mụrụ ya bụ onye nkuzi, bụrụ nwa Ogbunike, a na-anụ ya n'Ogbunike. O wee mụọ ya bụ Harris. O nwere nke tọrọ ya nụ ngolo amụ.
Chineke emekalụ m. Nwee nọrọ wee fụ na-eburu mmadụ ejiri na-eje ibe nwa eji eje mba ka ịbụ gba nna amụ gị larakatọla ya megharịa n'afọ m nkuni ọbụla ime na-eme mma n'ihe onye sị n'ọkwụ n'ime na-eme m eburu ngaba ụlọ ọgwụ elu n'ụlọ ọgwụ ka amụọ nwa chaa akwụkwọ dọkịta pụtasị Miss Jayo ihe emekwa na ọpụreshọn isi abiko mee nnukwu nke nwa m dị ndụ ewe kpute ogwe aka ikolobịa.
I was born in Obunike. My father Obunike, my mother Obunike, my grandfather Obunike, my grandma. I'm 100%, even 120 beyond mathematics Obunike.
Naturally, Harris Udoka is brilliant, an attribute that came into manifestation at his primary school level at Obomba Community Primary School, Azuobunike, where he passed his first school leaving certificate examination in clear distinction. Young Harris Udoka Chuma Odili remained resolute in maintaining high standard in his education and academic pursuit and performance. This zeal and commitment took Harris Chuma Odili through the seminary, Moral and Religious Institute, as well as the media.
The moment I started practicing as a journalist, as a media practitioner, because I always say that I'm a media practitioner, I'm a media practitioner. So the moment I took this profession, to heart and started practicing it, it began to open doors for me. It exposed me to, to powers that be. It exposed me to important people, in the society. It even also exposed me to the ills in the society that I need to bring to fore, that I need to correct using media and all that. And, at a point, I became a star.
Harris Udoka Chuma Odili established a solid determination to carve a noble niche for himself in media entrepreneurship, information technology and mass communication. A broadcaster, a journalist of high standard with a Bachelor of Science degree in mass communication and a Master of Science degree in communication leadership from Euseba University, Benin Republic.
While, as a movie producer, I developed interest in mass communication because I was having a team of journalists who were always coming around me, trying to, put me up in the newspapers and, do media PR for me and all that. So, guys like Azuarins, Emedolibe, Ngozi, and the rest, Ejiro, and the rest, so they were always in my office, trying to package me, so to say, using media to bring me to limelight, bring my works, my film works to limelight. So I looked at these guys. They actually inspired me into going into mass communication.
The prestigious Green Hills University, Denmark, awarded a doctorate degree, honoris causa, in leadership, social advocacy, and community development to Harris Chuma Odili. This feat no doubt prepared Harris Chuma for his expected role in his service to the society, a role he has been playing creditably.
Ogeni Igbo nwee ike iwere ife niile onwe wee n'elu mmadụ ọgụ. Ọ na-enyelu mmadụ aka ọbụnagodu mgbe ọ na-amara ọnya anwa ọfụma. Amaalụ m Ogeni Igbo na ọ na-abụ ebulu ọgụ mmadụ ọnụba ọ dịka ya asị na ọgụ ya ka ọ na-anọ. And ọ na-agba ọgụ mmadụ ọ dị n'anya n'azụ.
was into culture advocacy, and then in Lagos, I had this group of women and youths, who were always, going out on cultural crusades with me, going from one state to the other, talking about how we can preserve our culture and how we can teach our children to speak Igbo language. We had this belief after the UNESCO report that Igbo language was going extinction. And so we were charged with this responsibility of ensuring that the Igbo language does not go extinct.
Dr. Chuma Odili Harris Udoka's expertise cuts across a wide professional landscape. A filmmaker, media consultant, electronic media producer, an advertising guru of no common pedigree, and a prolific writer of journalism background.
One of I know a big actor. If I vote to Ojeje Mebeziana Lagos officially, Owaji we Malian, no be no nebe. Egwu Akpati, una mariba na egwu Akpati. Ogunu maribu na mariba na egwu Akpati in those days. 70s, 80s.
Mine is to use media to speak to the power that be, to tell truth to the powers that be, to tell them the truth, and I'm doing it successfully, not minding whose us is God, my bravery and craftsmanship in this aspect of media is out of this world. It's just divine. I'm also divinely talented when it comes to communication, strategic communication.
Having obtained his postgraduate diploma certificate in corporate management from Eastern University, a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Corporate Management and Strategic Planning, Dr. Harris Chuma Odili maintains a versatile presence in the corporate business world. He sits in the board as Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, Don Harry Global Leasing Limited. His group of companies has flourishing subsidiaries in marine catering services, equipment leasing, hospitality management, haulaging, fashion and media production services.
What I did was a mapo. Initially it was just my media business, journalism, broadcast journalism, going for contents, having programs on television, drama series, talk shows, organizing music shows, picking contents and running it on TV, episodically and all that. I was just busy doing all that. At a point, I was even involved in post-production activities like editing and all that, training editors, even training cameramen how to operate digital camera and all that. So, but at a point, I discovered I wasn't making money from all this effort. I discovered that my responsibilities were increasing, I had gotten married, had my own family running, a lot of dependents and all that. So I was like, would this see me through? Just this media work, this Toga independent television producer, one that goes out there to look for contents, come to TV station, beg for airtime or share proceeds, and all that. And before you know it, even the TV owners, they go with the better part of the proceeds. So, and it wasn't really meeting up to my responsibilities. My needs were increasing. So I decided to look outside the media industry. So that was when I did the MAPO.
One unique personality trait of Dr. Harris Udoka Chuma Odili is his unreserved attachment to the Igbo cultural mien and traditional disposition of his people.
I'm a very proud Igbo man. Very proud. I am proudly Igbo. And that is what I flaunt anywhere I go. I am the Igbo man that when you see, you recognize, you identify immediately that this man is an Igbo man.
Chief Dr. Harris has been having a warm relationship with the Ogbunike Council of Royalty, an Ogbuefi, a core traditional titled young man.
Harris obidoli na mmụaka wee sobe nne ya maka na onye ọbụla tọrọ nne ya n'okwu ya na nne ya na-anọ iwu bụ na ọ ya ama omenala omenala ụmụalụ ka o ji aga ebe ọbụla ọpụta na kwuo okwu ma ọ kọọ ebe gbasara omenala ewelie na eziokwu ka ọ bụ Harris anyị na-ene anya ọ bụ na ụzọ izu ive na-abụ ka eji ama mmadụ amala na ebe ajọ mmadụ amala na ebe ezigbo mmadụ mana Harris life wa dị iche o gosi na mmadụ Chukwu zitere anọ onwe purpose ozi jizite ya am purpose o ji wee zite ya ọ na-alụ a na-aga n'iru
You see this red cap on my head, you don't dare put it on or take the title while your father is still alive. That's just what it is. So if you come to my town, Obunike, you look at the stages that you will go through before you get to this point of having this prestigious cap on your head. You have to start with what we call Ozonwa. That's Ozono. From there, you take Ozo Obunike, you become an Ozo and Nze. So you can go with the title Nze. You go with the title Nze, okay? From being Nze, if your father is still alive, you remain as Nze until your dad is gone. Before you can go further to becoming an Ichie, from being an Ichie to now Ogbuefi. That's when you have this red cap. So I observed these traditional rites. I have all these titles from Ozonwa to Ogbuefi. And, as an Ichie in my place, it places you on a very high pedestal. You're no longer an ordinary person in the town,
Driven by his inexplicable intrinsic passion for the Igbo culture, Chief Dr. Chuma Harris began the Ogenigbo movement, a socio-cultural organization and charity foundation with the aim solely for the promotion of Igbo culture and tradition using the digital media as a veritable instrument.
The Ogenigbo movement actually started in 2011 in Lagos. Like I said earlier, I was actually involved in Igbo cultural promotions, as a cultural advocate.
Today, the success story of Ogenigbo movement has taken the personality of Chief Dr. Harris Chuma Odili to a higher pedestal that it has almost overtaken his real name. Ogenigbo has become a household name and refers to the same person as Chief Dr. Harris Udokamma Chuma Odili.
Ogenigbo. Ọbọzi Ogenigbo ka ọ bụrụ ọkarịbụ Ogenigbo. Ọbọzi Igbo ka ọ na-agụrụ n'ogene Nigeria ka ọ bụ. Omenala Igbo niile. O bidoro n'ezi ebe ọ nọ na Lagos bụ n'ezi Igbo. Ị na-adụkwa ibe m na-agwa ya. Ndị Igbo nọ n'ezi chibodiri eze ndị Igbo. Before Ogbunike ebe a mụrụ ya. Wee chie nye Ogenigbo. Igwe Ọrazulike eze ndị Igbo, Lagos State, through his palace secretary, wrote me and said they wanted to appreciate my effort, in promoting Igbo language, Igbo culture, and all that. So I was honored, during one of his, that was 2011 New Yam Festival. So that was how the Ogenigbo thing became a title for me. Right there in the presence of 11 traditional rulers from Igbo land and the Ezendigbo, association, right there, I was given the title for the first time, Ogene Ndigbo.
You are
Ogenigbo, Chief Dr. Harris Chuma Odele's accolade and honor in the spheres of Igbo culture and tradition are becoming innumerable and intimidating. In 2013, he received the Ezo Menani Award from Umu Igbo Community Association in Lagos and Ogun States as the chief promoter of Igbo culture and civilization.
Onye Ogbuefi ka ọ bụ na Ogbunike. The tradition and the costume of our land ọ bụ mmadụ ife na-amasị oben ọfụma. Ife ọbụla agbara ihe omenala ọ na-abụ Paris ka a na-abụ ka a na-echekwudo ma abịa n'ihe omenala ofu onye apụta ọrụ ezue.
Nolifans Award Lagos has been given to Chief Dr. Harris Ogenigbo as the Grand Custodian of Igbo Culture and Civilization.
Amaalụ m ya dịka onye na-emeta omenala maka na mbụ oge ọbụla ifuru ya ejiji egodu ya egosi gị na ọ bụ ezigbote nwa afọ Igbo.
Ohamadike Ndigbo is a special recognition on the person of Ogenigbo in 2014 by Ohaneze Ndigbo, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. His Royal Highness Eze Dr. Promise Obinna Onyeche of Olakwa Ancient Kingdom, Umuakuru Eche, Rivers State, came on board with Eze Omenani, honorary chieftaincy title bestowed on Chief Dr. Harris. In 2020, the Abia State Ministry of Culture and Tourism, in collaboration with Princess Achalugo Charity Foundation, Abia State, branded Ogenigbo the 2020 Man of the Year. Noble title Feather was added to Ogenigbo's Cap of Honor also in 2020 by the Otonwanne age grade as Ogbunike. The man Chief Dr. Harris Udoka Chuma Odele is a noble man. Ogenigbo Chief Dr. Harris has been naturally endowed with prerequisite ability, tested and proved over time in matters of culture and tradition.
In Ogbunike, anytime there is cultural event, if you come to my house, the gate is open, wide open. The youths will visit my house, they will stay in my house for 2 days, eating and drinking, do whatever thing they like that is legal, you know. So they stay with me. There's no masquerade that comes out in any festival that will not come to my house. Both night masquerade and the day, both the one you say deadly or dreaded, they come to my house. And these masquerades are, you know, they have youths, you know, with them, you know, following them. And so they like Ogenigbo because Ogenigbo is their own person.
Ogenigbo, a distinguished frontliner and crusader of the culture and tradition of his people, with unrelenting spirit of doggedness, resilience, and commitment to do more and even better in times to come, given the opportunity, and God being his helper.
Ọ bụ ezigbo mmadụ mana ọ bụrụ na ime eribe ọma mkpekide gị nso gị na be nwere ife gị na nwe to do. Mmụọ niile dị n'Ogbunike ọma maka ya o wetara ego edozisi enya na-eme ife ọbụla. Mma agwa ya eziokwu na o meriri ife ahụ asị ya nna ogige n'Ogbunike anya bịa na Ogbunike anya na nke izizi bụ n'obu nwa amụrụ n'ana toro n'ana onwere ebe your blood si wee si outside Ogbunike wee bata n'ebe ị nọ. When you make a Ogbunike on a sonso, Odeli anyhow, it doesn't talk anyhow. Imagine you pay courier. Open as a camabati, or in the Jimati about Cadibo, let's chew about Cadibo. His demand that come back in Ogbunike. ọ bụ na ji na-elu ka uche ife a bụ ilu ka m tụrụ ọ bụ na ji na-elu otu a ji si elu ka uche mmadụ si elu mma asị na Ogbunike enwegbo sọmbọdụ a ga-aga n'alụ aka ka traịkị ya